Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable the dark theme on Google Sheets. And trust me, it's very easy, there's nothing complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So first, open Sheets like this. So now click on these three lines here on the left top side and open the settings. And here at the first in the section in the theme section, as you can see, we have option to choose the theme. So just click on it. We have three options: just to make it dark, the system default, or to light. If you enable light, just disable it and make it dark. Or you can make it easier by turning on your dark mode on your phone. So that's it. That was how to enable the dark theme on Google Docs. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.